In this question, it asks us to see some shapes. There are 3 blocks and 1 circle. What is the form in algebraic terms? In this problem-solving question, we are going to be doing algebraic. Algebraic is similarly sort of like algebra, but we add a number and a letter next to the number, which will equal something. So now that I have explained, let's get on to it. We can see here that we have a little bit of help that says the rectangle or square equals to y and the circle equals to 1. So we can see that there are 3 y's in this sequence and there is just 1 circle. So 3 y's and 1. So now we have to write it in form of algebraic terms. So we have to write 3y add 1, which we don't have to solve because we can't really add this, because this is separate from a circle. The square is separate from a circle. So that means, what do we have to add to the circle? Nothing, because the rest are squares. Let's do another one to recap. In this question, it's asking us to complete the table and work out the symbol this question is worth. I can see that 2 something gives us 4, and 7 something gives us 14, and y something gives us question mark. So I can see that. So we have to do 4 divided by 2, which is 2, and 14 divided by 2, which is 7. And 2 times 2 gives us 4, 7 times 2 gives us 14. So in this bar model, it's asking us to times by 2, or basically essentially doubling. Now we have to work out the cost of y. We can see that the last number we just did gives us 14. Whatever you do, you always have to times the answer by the next question. For example, we have to do 14 times 2 because if we don't have any clues for this one, we have clues for the top one. And 14 is the most recent one that has been answered. So let's write that down. 4 times 2, which is 8. 1 times 2, which is 2. So we can write 14 here. Or we can just write y equals 14 right here to make it easier. And 14 times 2, which we got the answer here, 28. So after that, we have completed the table. Now let's go on to the next question. Rosie says, I think that y equals 14 because 7 times 2 equals 14. Is she correct? Explain your answer. She is incorrect because, remember, we have to times by the answer and not the input provided. So let's write she's wrong. I already explained why, so I'm not going to go and explain and waste my time. But thank you for watching. I hope you understand how to solve algebraic expressions. Bye.